Alright, we're back again here, YouTube. It is just after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. As you can see, it's still coming down. We're in the backside of the last heavy band of snow. So sometime probably in the next hour or so, I suspect we'll see the accumulating snow come to an end, and we'll just have blowing and drifting snow to contend with throughout the night. It's also supposed to get down to 0 tonight. So these roads are going to stay pretty crappy. And my car is going to stay parked right now. I brought my ruler out. You can see again, my front porch is kind of a drift zone, so it's a little bit less than that 7 3/4 that you see there. I'd say we probably have between 5 and 6 inches now. I haven't jumped out there to measure it yet. Once it stops, I'm going to go ahead and clear all my snow off of the porch and whatnot. Then I'll get out in the yard and try to get some more accurate measurements so we can see what we ended up with. But as the sun goes down, the snow will be shutting off. And then we'll be back in the 40s tomorrow, so it'll be a nice slushy mess as it all tries to melt. Poor car. I hopefully don't have anywhere to go, so it'll be alright. Just stay home and stay warm and not stuck in a ditch somewhere. See, I don't have a big truck like that. I got no chance. Yep, another nice snowstorm. We've kind of been getting hit left and right since the first of the year. We didn't have much of a winter to speak of before that, though. And big old flakes again. But I will try to add one more video. Shouldn't have too much problems recording at night once I'm outside and all the lights are reflected on the snow. Like I said, I'll try to get all this cleared off so I can get out there and get some better measurements. Still no critters hanging out. Once I clear a path for them, they'll come running from somewhere. I gotta plow my street still yet tonight. Alright, well, thanks everyone for watching along. It looks like the snow's kind of picking up just a little bit more. Looks like all my flags are gonna, for the most part, stay uncovered, aside from the ones that got hit with the trash cans. Alright, I'm cold. It's down to 18 degrees now, so I'm gonna get my butt back inside, post this, and warm up. And we'll see you later on tonight. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the button.